Today I'm going to be basically introducing you guys to the Miata turbo build. Where you at? I need you to get in your car and come to that drift spot because I just blew up my whole rim. So it's a new day and we are back with episode 2. Today I honestly want to get into cleaning the Miata inside of the motor because we're going to be, taking all of this, the headers and the intake. We're going to be taking all of that off. So we want to clean all of the engine up so we can get, we'll be working with clean in a clean area. But for the most part, that's what we're doing today. We're also going to try to take off the exhaust, as you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys. We're going to try to take out the exhaust. That's that pipe right there. Try to take that out. And we're going to try to start unbolting the transmission to take out the transmission to do the clutch job for the turbo setup. And if you guys haven't, make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. My Instagram is @simplybigger with 3 A's. It'll be here. Whoop. And his Instagram is @illustratorj, and that'll also be here. Whoop. We are going to go to the hardware store. Stay tuned. Quick PSA. I like Tropical Smoothie. So we're here at Tropical Smoothie on a quick run. You gotta move up in line because there's people already left. But we're here at Tropical Smoothie and I'm gonna tell you guys what I get from Tropical Smoothie.
Thanks for choosing Tropical Smoothie. Please hold.
Thank you. Let me get a sunrise sunset. I usually get a sunrise sunset. That's what I get from Tropical Smoothie. So that's what I'll have today is a sunrise sunset. And just so you guys know who never had Tropical Smoothie, they only come in one size.
Go ahead with your order.
So you
Can I get a sunrise sunset?
I'll show you guys shortly. So we made it back to Harbor Freight. This is our favorite place. We here at least 2 or 3 times a week, to be honest with y'all. What'd you say? That we here 2 to 3 times a week?
Every time. By default.
By default. Anytime we gotta buy parts, we're at Harbor and Freight.
We lied. We had to come back to O'Reilly's. Yeah, it's okay, but we good. We back in the game. Went to Harbor Freight, sat there for a minute. I was like, maybe it's not the best spot, but we back in it. Open for business. Let's do it. It's cool. They ain't got to save it up, but hey, welcome to O'Reilly's. Oh, thanks. Cool. So we know what we came here for. Hold on. No, this is a detail. It's actually looking good in here. Yeah, it's looking real promising. They got oil if you need it. They got ooh, look at these. Look at that. For all you people complaining about your wiper blades, it ain't no excuse. Get up. Pull it to O'Reilly's. My wiper blade's trash. We know why. Oh, you found it? Oh, yeah. Our new favorite product.
Hey, and we only mess with that foamy if y'all don't know. All the other, the original and the heavy duty gel, I don't really mess with this or this. I really mess with the foamy. So if they ask you how you rocking, what are we rocking with that foamy? You know what I mean? And we usually get 6 cans, but this time we only got 2 cans because we messing with the Miata and it's just the engine. We ain't doing all that. You know what I mean? Spray it 15 minutes, wait again.
Blast it off.
We're not doing that. We're not doing that today. Oh, we need towels.
Yeah, we need them. I highly recommend McFad's. They got a whole sack. Sack of towels.
They closed? Everything's free? I just wanted to make sure.
Oh, no, they here, they playing. Where they at?
Don't want the money?
Teller assistance? Oh, we...
Y'all want the bag?
Like we at the bank. Teller assistant?
They don't want the bag. They're not serious.
He said we just gonna walk out. Fuck it. Fuck it.
Am I supposed to ring a bell? I don't know if I'm supposed to ring the bell. Usually when we come to O'Reilly to AutoZone, we get hi, hello. This one, they seem a little busy, but I'm just trying to give them the benefit of the doubt.
You said they seem busy?
They seem like they busy. It don't seem like it's busy in here. It look empty, but they look occupied. Like, I'm confused. You tell me. Yeah.
Cool. We gonna put this on. You gonna put this on.
Oh, this is what they did. It's a little 6 feet.
Yeah. You gotta, you know.
So you gotta pay. They take your money from a distance. Y'all beware.
Sure.
Yes, indeed.
1082 today.
Oh.
You guys want a bag?
Please and thanks.
Please and thank you. We are in the game.
We're in the game. Just like that. Out of there. Oh, O'Reilly's Auto Parts.
It's the real auto start store.
We're gonna try this one more time. Watch. Oh, now he wanna answer the phone. It's crazy. He said, not again. You ain't gonna give me again. Okay. You ready now? Yeah. That's cool.
Got the towels. It's affirmative. They're looking good. Shop towels. Got the 100% cotton for automotive, so we should be good on these. And now it's time to get back to the Ford. Let's go ahead and give some appreciation to this beauty here. Let's take a quick 10 seconds to appreciate her. Go ahead and admire her from across the lot. Look at the wheels, look the way they buzz. I can get low for you too. Ooh-wee. So we made it back to the garage. I'm gonna start taking off the exhaust first, and then we're gonna work on this dirty engine here. I've never taken off the exhaust. I hear it's pretty difficult. Some say it's difficult, some say it's not. Ignore the sound in the back. Y'all know what that is, that's the washing machine. So, let's get to work.
We got this piece of shit exhaust off. So, funny thing is, oh.
Sorry guys. Woo!
There that goes. But I was back here unbolting this, and I unbolted the whole thread out of the exhaust because the nut decided to merge into the screw. That's funny. God. Yeah, I got you. Do what you gotta do. I just don't want you to keep bopping.
Come here real quick.
Yeah.
I might need you to do this for me. This last one. I ain't gonna lie, this should be the dog shit. We're now dealing with our last hanger on this exhaust. And you know, exhaust work is usually these hangers are all jammed up. Usually it's all rusted up. This one didn't give us too much of a problem. It's just that these damn rubber brackets, as you guys can see, were hemmed up. But we got the whole exhaust off from what, the mid pipe?
Yeah. Let's take it out and show them.
Okay. So here we go. We have the exhaust out. We still have the headers connected to the car, just in, so when we take off, start the turbo stuff, we can take that off. But for the most part, we have it out. This is my first time taking out an exhaust. Pretty sure this is his first time taking out an exhaust. But that's out, so now it's time to clean this up. All this dust, all this other stuff, I want to start, wiping it down, so when we start working on it, we can really see what we're working on and not just working through filth and dust. So as you guys can see, we wiped down the whole front. This is all black in the beginning. All of this was black in the beginning. All of it was really dusty. Just getting to the little side parts, just wiping off some more stuff. A lot of this stuff is dusty because it sits a lot. We don't really drive this car that much because we've been getting it ready for this build and ordering parts and stuff, so we don't really drive it that much, and just getting it cleaned up. Also wanted to show you guys this. Took this off the front, as said earlier, so we can now have the intercooler there, and we have the undergarment right here. It's very oily, it's caked up. It was actually hanging on the car, not dragging, but it was hanging a little bit, so we're glad we got that out of there. I also want to show you guys under the car. So now our next project is to take this transmission out. As you guys can see, it's very oily. We need to get some components changed from this transmission. We need to also tap the oil pan for the turbo setup, and we need to clean this up because this looks terrible. And you guys know how we feel about this type of activity on our page. We do not like it. So